Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be comparing two Shea Moisture treatments. One of them, it's been one of my favorites so far from the whole Shea Moisture collections, and it's this one in particular, the Shea Moisture Power Greens Reconstructor. This one right here, it's been my favorite. I have tried many Shea Moisture deep condition treatments, mask, and so far this one is my number one. This has moringa and avocado with kale, matcha, and green algae. This basically will nourish and transform weak, dull, curly, and coily hair. So we're gonna start on this side, applying this one. And on the other side of the hair, I will be using from Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Collection, this Hydrate Repair Protein Powered Treatment with Mafuta and Baobab oils. I think I said it right? This will strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. Alright guys, so I already applied both products on each side. Okay, so this will be the Reconstructor that I apply on my left side. And then on my right side, this is the protein treatment. Okay, so they are both very different consistency, as you can see. I will be right back and we will see the final results. I'm back. I already styled my hair, as you can see. I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I also use from the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Collection, the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. So I noticed that on the left side, the curls are very defined. Same on the right side, but I did notice a little bit of frizz on the right side. I don't mind frizz because frizz gives me a little bit more volume. Now remember that we use on this side this treatment and on this side this one. So in conclusion, I really love both treatments. They both left my hair super soft. If I have to choose which one smells the best, I will definitely go with this one. Which one has a thick consistency? This one. If you like the light smells in your products, I will recommend this one. As you can see in both sides, the results were pretty much very similar. I left both treatments in my hair for 20 minutes. Here says that you should leave on the hair between 10 to 15 minutes. So I don't know if that has something to do with the results maybe on this side, because this is a protein powered treatment. Maybe I will give it a try next time. Maybe instead of 20 minutes, I would do it for 10 minutes, and I will see if the results will change just a little bit. I will stick with both. If you have used these products before and you have similar or different results, just comment below. If you haven't used these products or you have any other questions, you can comment down below this video if you have any other questions. I hope this video helped you to decide which one you could use the next time you do a treatment. And if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you on the next time.